Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Mar SERE 2000 series of folding knives, available at Knifecenter.com. Since their founding in 1979, Mar has made high-quality knives by taking a no-compromise approach to their designs and their production. Each knife crafted by Mar is hand-finished and hand-sharpened by craftsmen dedicated to creating the very best possible knife. Their diverse array of products ranges from kitchen knives to traditional folders to tactical knives, with that high-quality production evident across all of them. What really helped put them on the map, however, is the SERE 2000 series of tactical knives. Mar drew from his Special Forces background and collaborated with Army Colonel Nick Rowe, who was credited with developing the rigorous U.S. Army Survival, Evasion, Resistance, and Escape training program to create the SERE 2000. It was the first ever knife to be accepted for use in the SERE School program, and today's updated models are stronger, lighter, and more precise than ever before. This liner lock folder features full-length, non-skeletonized liners underneath G10 scales to maximize strength. Pillar construction with a flow-through design makes it easy to keep the handle clean and free of grit, and a top-mounted reversible deep pocket clip enables covert carry. The G10 handles are available in black, OD green, or Digi Camo, and provide great traction in just about any climate. The flared front end helps with more combat-oriented grips, a reflection of the design's aggressive nature. Deployment is actuated via dual thumb stubs for simple one-handed operation, and the steel liner lock does an excellent job of keeping the drop point blade in place. Said blade comes in at 3.6 inches long and is made from VG10 stainless steel, which offers respectable edge retention with good corrosion resistance and ease of maintenance. The flat grind offers great slicing efficiency, and its deep swedge makes it an excellent piercer, making it a versatile knife ready for any real-world application. If you crave something a little smaller, the Mini SERE 2000 offers the same great features with a 3-inch blade for more discreet carry. To get your hands on one of these excellent Mar SERE 2000 knives, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. To keep up with all our knife-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. And in the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at Knifecenter.com. And check back often to see the deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.